Hi friends, I am Ali. Today back here again with a new video. In this video, I am going to teach you about the Ascii code generation in Python. Since these videos are very rare on the YouTube, so I wanted to tell you about how to generate the Ascii code in Python. First of all, I want to tell you what is the Ascii code. Basically, there are two languages. One is the human language and other thing which the computer understand, that is the computer language. In between these two languages, there is a intermediate language that is called Ascii. Ascii stands for American Standard Code for Information and Interchange. I repeat, American Standard Code for Information and Interchange. This is the intermediate code. One thing is to remember that there are 257 characters whose Ascii code is present. It means it starts from 0 till 256 that can be converted and seen in the Ascii form. So in Python, how can you see the Ascii form of a character? I will tell you today. So I am going towards my PyCharm here, and now since I have do some mathematical work, so I am going to import the math library from math import, and now static. Now it is a small code, but I want to use while loop since I am discussing while loop in my some previous videos as well. So I would first of initialize the value, that is I is equal to 1, then while I is equal less than and equal to 256 semicolon, print I comma space and comma, and one thing I will use here is the built-in function of Python, that is chr. I will write chri. This will give us the chr form, means the Ascii form of each and every I. So this was the new thing. Now I'm going the incrementer, that is 1. I is equal to I plus 1. Now in front of you, I'm going to run this code, and here you can see what is the result. Starting from the 0, it has generated till 256, it has generated the Ascii form. Here it is. I will show you. Here you can see 43, which means plus. It means the plus, which is the sign of addition in our keyboard. In the intermediate language, the 43 means the plus. In the same way, the capital A is equivalent to 65. In the A, small a, it is equivalent to 97. So that is very useful and important knowledge regarding the computer as well as the languages. So this was a small code, but one of the important code I wanted to tell you. So this was my important video today. Hope you guys have clear your concept regarding the Ascii code. It is a powerful essential tool, and it will give you such sheer information. I would end up with the same: like and share my videos, subscribe my channel right now by hitting the bell icon, and my channel is Tech Park. I am Ali. I will come back again with some more videos on many more topics. So this was all till now. Thank you. We will meet up again in the next videos.